Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford EcoSport transmission. We'll cover both soft and hard reset methods, helping you address common shifting issues. Understanding these procedures can save you time and potentially avoid a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started with the basics of why a reset might be necessary for your vehicle's performance. To perform a soft reset, first turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, fully press the accelerator pedal for about 10 seconds. Release the pedal, then turn the ignition completely off. Wait a few minutes before restarting your engine. This simple process can often clear minor transmission adaptations. For a more thorough hard reset, you'll need to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Ensure you wait for at least 15 minutes before reconnecting it. This allows the vehicle's computer to fully discharge and clear its memory. Once reconnected, start the engine and let it idle smoothly for a while to relearn its settings. A transmission reset is useful for resolving minor shifting problems or after a battery replacement. However, if your issues persist, it's crucial to seek a professional diagnosis. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future transmission concerns and ensuring your EcoSport runs smoothly for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.